So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is document processing with Gemini. So first of all, click on start lab and open the cloud console incognito window like this. And if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here in my case it is getting signed in automatically. Sometimes you may be prompted to enter the username and password. Check the lab for it. Now here click on I understand. Once the cloud console opens, you have to just check the navigation menu and you can see here Vertex CI. Click on the workbench under notebooks. So it will open. It will take some time. So wait for it. And for other Gemini labs, you can check the description of this video and for other skill badges also. Now here, a lot of you guys are facing issues like files are not visible on the workbench. So you have to do one thing, select this and click on the reset. Now the workbench, basically the Jupyter instance, will reset itself to its first version. That means once it gets reset, you will be able to see the files. So just wait for the instance to get reset and then we'll open the Jupyter lab together and complete this lab. So now here you can see the Jupyter notebook is now ready. What you have to do, you have to just click on the open Jupyter lab. So here you have to just click over this, and sometimes what happens that you get unnecessary error, like you may get the page is not loading, or you can just get one error like the Gemini workbench is not loading, and or it's taking too long to respond. So you can do one thing, close this page and come back on the workbench page and just click on open Jupyter lab again like we did previously. So just wait. And if you are not getting any error like this, just continue with the lab. And here what you need to do, you have to just open the document underscore processing. So you have to open that file only and then we'll modify some changes in this file and then we'll be able to complete this lab together. Now here just do one thing, you have to just click over this file and now you can see there is no kernel, so you may get this kind of pop-up, select Python 3 as kernel. Now what you have to do, come back to the task number 2 and here on the lab palette also the user project ID and the zone is given, so we have to just update here. So just update the project ID and just copy the zone, region also, region not zone, region it is. So just update it like this. You can see the kernel is now idle. What we have to do here, first of all we have to install the Gemini SDK. So just run it, and once it's completed we have to do one thing, that we have to just restart the kernel. For restarting the kernel, if the restart current time is not showing here like the code just below it, you have to just click on the kernel and then on the top you can see kernel, click on it and just restart the kernel. So now let's move ahead. As you can see the kernel is now idle. Now here a pop-up may come like this when you play this. So you have to just click on OK and wait for the kernel status to get idle. It may take few seconds. Now it's idle. Click on this shell, click on run, select as shells and all below. Now it will take few more seconds, sometimes up to 1 to 2 minutes or up to 45 seconds. So wait for it. And once it's done, we'll be done with the lab. And if you see like it's taking longer time, you need to wait until the kernel gets idle. Basically you have to wait. Once the kernel gets idle, we'll be done with the lab. So finally let's check the score. And if you are unable to see the score, you can check either using the checkpoints or just go to that particular task and check the score. And if you follow the way I have done, you'll done with the lab guys. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. To like